Hello everybody, welcome to another quick one, and today we're talking editing videos. So to edit videos, you need an editing software. I mean, personally, I use Premiere Pro. And so once you've got Premiere Pro, open it up. Again, it all depends on what you want as the final product. And let's use yesterday's video as an example. So once I start up Premiere Pro, I'm going to create these three folders called assets. So assets is for all the music and sound effects. Recordings is for recordings, and sequences, all the different sequences I might end up making in the edit. And that's just to clean up my workflow. And so for example, yesterday's video is a quick, short video. And the way I normally do it is use the audio. You shorten the video not by looking at it, but by listening to it. So let's take this clip for example. You can see that there are little gaps in between where I talk, and so all you literally do, get the end of the sentence. You can see by the follow in the audio, and just drag that out. Ask and you shall receive. You get that, which is much shorter. And so that's how I edit my videos. I hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget to always remain creative, live life to the fullest, and love God. Alright guys, catch you next time. Bye.